What's going on, guys? It's a beautiful Monday morning here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys. And today's video, I want to talk about the difference between ordinary and extraordinary. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary. Anybody got any idea of what that is? It's a little bit extra, guys, okay? And what I want to talk about, guys, is if you guys if you're brand new, right, and you're out here, you're online, you just started your own business, or you're contemplating starting your own business and you want to get into internet marketing, direct mail marketing, whatever it is you want to do, guys, what I want you guys to take away from this video today is if you allow yourself to be confined, right, by other people, then you will allow yourself to be defined by other people, okay? And my point in this video is that you don't have to live up or down to someone else's expectation of who you are, what you can do, and what you can be, okay? You don't have to live up or down to anyone's expectation of who you are, what you can do, and what you can be, and what you can accomplish. You don't need validation from other people, okay? Look, when you talk about climbing a mountain, right, everybody always put most of the emphasis on getting to the top of the mountain. But I got news for you guys. It's not about getting to the top of the mountain. It's about the climb, okay? So guys, let's talk about the power of video marketing, right? Why you should be using video marketing to build your business and in your business building marketing strategies. And, you know, to let you guys know that it just doesn't have to be that complicated, okay? Now, this particular guy, right, I can't pronounce his name. I'm going to say Tekashi, right, was able to get over 5 million subscribers inside of 1 year, right, through YouTube, right, through YouTube, right? And look, guys, let's see the 5 things that this guy actually did to do it. Number 1, he set himself apart by having a unique look. Check him out, guys. You guys may be familiar with this dude, right? But that's the very first thing he did, was he set himself apart by having a unique look. Okay, let's come down to the second thing he did. He collaborated with another up-and-coming rapper to release a breakthrough music video, right? That's what he did. This is what this guy did. Number 3, his first single went viral, right? His first single went viral. This is all through YouTube video marketing, guys. 4, his viral success launched him to mega fame without a debut album. Hey, go figure, right? And then, of course, guys, number 5. Where's number 5, guys? It was a 5th thing that this guy did. Anyway, guys, the point is this. The dude was able to get over 5 million subscribers. So what's the point? Okay, when we talk about YouTube video marketing, when we talk about video marketing in general, guys, hey, nothing beats a failure but like a try, right? You have gifts and talents that you have no idea that you have. And the reason that you don't have any idea of that you have them is because you haven't stepped out on faith, right? Guys, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things unseen, right? My mom used to say, faith is taking the first step before you even see the stairs. So what I want to challenge you guys to do today, particularly if you're brand new, guys, I want to challenge you to another 30-day YouTube video challenge, okay? Let this year be the year that you step out on faith, guys. Go ahead on, right? Dive in, guys. Tap into your special gifts and talents. You know why? Because you guys have heard me say 1,000,001 times, guys, we're really only separated by about 6 degrees. I promise you $1 to a dime. You know, guys, I like to promise $1 to a dime, right? I like to stay cheap. But anyway, you know, do your thing, man. Don't You don't need validation from anybody else. Yeah, subscribe to people you're influenced by, right? Get on the email mailing list of people that you like and people that have influence over you. You know what I mean? And then as you step out, guys, on faith and start doing your own thing, let your natural gifts and talents take over, okay? Just speak what's on your mind. Just say what you want to say. Do what you want to do. But whatever you do, don't ever allow yourself to be defined by other people. Because if people can define you, then they can confine you. And we don't want to be confined, guys. We don't want to be in a box. We live in a great universe, guys, okay? And we're just here on earth, right? But imagine the endless possibilities, guys, for you, your life, your family, whatever it is you want to do when you step into your personal greatness, right? When you start worrying about what other people are thinking and start doing your own things, okay? Hey, I got a special link that I want you guys to visit. It's called Promoter, guys, for all you aspiring video marketers. If you're thinking about starting your own YouTube video channel, visit Promoter, guys, because these guys, this is somewhere that I'm definitely going to be going into this year, checking out. But they talk about being able to make your particular videos go viral. I'm going to be checking it out. I'm going to be keeping you guys posted on exactly what my experience with it is. But I will leave the link for Promoter in the YouTube video description area. Oh, P.S. and by the way, along with my new how to get more traffic to your website link. So you guys, if you already got an existing business and you want more traffic for your website, then you can get in here and get that free how to get more traffic to your website and learn a little bit more, guys, about what you should be doing every single day in terms of those standard operational procedures for getting more traffic to your website. I had to plug that, guys. Anyway, guys, I'll leave the links below in the YouTube video description area. If you guys are on my how to get more traffic to your website, then guys, you're in for even more great information about video marketing right below this video. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's my time. I got thousands of more videos to shoot, miles to go before I sleep. This is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. Stay great. I'll see you guys on the next video.